Okay, so students, today we will talk about adjustment of capital. Adjustment of capital on the basis of new partners' capital when there is an admission in the partnership. I have a question here and I am notifying the question from APC DK Goel book, question number 76. I have selected to make you understand how you all have to adjust the capital on the basis of new partners capital account. In this question, A, B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3. C was admitted for 1/4 share in profit. C acquires his share as 3/16 from A and 1/4 of his share from B. C brings 1 lakh as capital. C is bringing 1 lakh as capital, and now other information are given. The firm goodwill was valuated 2,40,000. General ledger was 40,000. Profit from revaluation of assets and liability was 24,000. Before any adjustment were A's and B's capital were 1,20,000 and 70,000 respectively. Further information has given. It is decided that after C's admission, the capital of A and B adjusted on the basis of C's capital. Any excess or shortfall will be adjusted by withdrawing or bringing cash by own partner. Here, as we can here find out new profit share ratio. So new profit sharing ratio is not a matter. We have already talked about new profit sharing ratio, and you know how you will get new profit sharing ratio. And in the same way, we have also talked about finding out sacrificing ratio. So I am just taking the answer from here. NPSR is new profit sharing ratio for A, B and C. It is given here 7:5:4, and the SR is 3:1. What we have to do here? We have to make here partners capital account. So we are going to draw partners capital account here first. A, B and C. A, B and C. Now first we write the balance, opening balance of partners capital. By balance breakdown, which is 1,20,000 and 70. 1,20,000 and 70,000, which is given in the question. This is the question. Now, C is admitting and he is bringing 1 lakh as capital. So, we will simply write cash account 1 lakh as the capital of Mr. C. Now, another thing, the firm goodwill is valuated 2,40,000. 2,40,000 is the goodwill of the firm. So, C's share of goodwill 2,40,000 1/4, because C is getting how much share of profit? 1/4. 24,006 means 60,000. It becomes 60,000. Sorry. 2,40,000 1/4 60,000. Now the 60,000 will be divided among Mr. A and Mr. B in their sacrificing ratio, as we all know, by प्रीमियम for goodwill. $60,000 to A and to B. In the ratio 3/4 to B, 60,000 into 1/4. As 3:1 is the ratio, sacrifice ratio. $45,000 to A and 15,000 to B. 45,000 to A and 15,000 to B. Now another thing, general reserve was for 40,000. General reserve is always distributed among the old partners in their old ratio by general reserve. 40,000 will be distributed in this way between A and B. 40,000 B, 40,000 ratio, old ratio is 5:3, 5/8 and 3/8. 25,000 and 15,000. 25,000 and 15,000. We are doing the same as we were doing before. Now note down this because you have to calculate some more things. Okay, as you have noted down. Revaluation profit is also has been given in the question. Profit from revaluation of assets and liabilities 24,000. Profit from revaluation. That will be given to A and B only. 24,000. 5/8. 24,000 into 3/8. 15,000 and 9,000. We will write here by profit from revaluation. 15,000 and 9,000. And now see, what is the next you have to do? Now you just, because there is nothing in this side, so just make a total here. Don't close, I am not closing it because I am not making double line. So what is the total of this? 1,20,000 plus 45,000, it becomes 1,65,000, 25, 1,90,000 and 2,05,000. It becomes 2,05,000. Here 70,000, 15,000, 15,000 and 9,000. It becomes 1,09,000. Calculate it. And this is 1 lakh. I hope you have noted down this calculation. Always remember NCSR, which is 7:5:4. Now to balance carry down 2,05,000, 1,09,000 and 1 lakh. And what you have to do here, just carry down here, balance, brought down B/D, 2,05,000, 1,09,000 and 1 lakh। देखिए इतना तो वो कुछ था जो आप पहले से करते हो, कुछ ऑलरेडी नो, आपको पहले से पता है ये सारी चीजें। अब आपको करना क्या है कि एडजस्ट कैसे करना है। जो लास्ट पॉइंट इस क्वेश्चन में लिख के रखा है वहां पे तकलीफ है। इट इज डिसाइडेड दैट सीज एडमिशन द कैपिटल ऑफ ए एंड बी टू बी एडजस्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सीज कैपिटल। एनी एक्सेस और शॉर्टफॉल विल बी एडजस्टेड बाय विड्रॉइंग और ब्रिंगिंग कैश इन द ओल्ड पार्टनर। तो हम क्या करेंगे, अभी कैपिटल को रीएडजस्ट करेंगे। एंड हाउ वी विल रीएडजस्ट द कैपिटल? We will readjust the capital in the way on the basis of new partner capital account. तो हम करेंगे कैसे? First we will find out total capital on the basis of seed capital. For 1/4 share, the capital is 1 lakh. Seed bringing 1 lakh as capital. He is coming from 1/4 share profit. So what is the total capital? So the total capital. So total capital will be 1 lakh into 4/1 means 4 lakh. And now A's capital and B's capital we can find out. A's capital 4 lakh, and now NPSR, now proper percent ratio is 7:5:4, 7:5:4। मतलब आप जो न्यू पार्टनर है उसके बेसिस पर क्या निकाल लेंगे, टोटल कैपिटल, और न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो के बेसिस पर निकाल लेंगे ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल को डिसाइड कर लेंगे। कितना आ रहा है? 7/5:4, 7/16, so we will cut down it. This total becomes 1,75,000. Beach capital 4 lakh into 5/16. It becomes 1,25,000. Now you have got the new capital of the partner A and B. A's capital will be 1,75,000 and B's capital will be 1,25,000. Now you can just note down here or just take a screenshot so that you can remember this calculation, because I have erased it. Okay. Now after this calculation, you have to find out the new capital. Now the closing capital is balance carried down is 1,75,000 for A, 1,25,000 for B, and 1 lakh is for C. Now you just compare the closing capital with the opening capital. Closing capital is 1,75,000, where the opening capital is 2,05,000. So 30,000 is more. So A will withdraw 30,000 rupees to cash. 30,000 will be withdrawn by A. क्यों विड्रॉ कर लेगा? क्योंकि उसकी कैपिटल से 75,000 पहले कितनी थी? 1 लाख, 2 लाख है 5,000। B का कंपेयर करते हैं। Now the closing capital is 1,25,000 and what is the opening capital? 1 लाख है 9,000। तो there is a shortfall है। B क्या करेगा? इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा। कितना अमाउंट? जो कि क्या है? कम है। कितना कम है इनके पास में? Total 25,000 minus 9, how much it will be? by cash account 16,000. Now it is closed. So this is the question number 76 from DK Goel book. You can go with the question and this is the answer. Every calculation I have clearly made here, and you can calculate, you can use calculator. If you are not using calculator, you can calculate with your own. So in the next video we will talk about the retirement of partner. For today, just